Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide. Eli is sleeping, so I gotta try to be quiet. Today I'm just gonna show you how to make sloppy joe. Super cheap and fast. You need some ground beef. You just need one of these and your Manwich. You don't need any oil or anything. About medium-ish. Open up that meat. While I wait for that to heat up real quick, I'm gonna open this. Oh my god, have you guys seen the can opening thing? Like, we've all been opening our cans the wrong way our whole lives. So it's supposed to be like this. Oops, what the heck? This way. It feels a little hard, but not as hard as it does doing it the other way. If I hadn't already done this before, I would have been so surprised right now. Oh, this feels hot. So we're gonna dump this in there. Oh.
La 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 la.
I put salt on everything. I don't put anything else in here though. I'm gonna turn on my fan. So sometimes there's a lot of grease or oil or whatever the hell you want to call it. You want to get rid of that. This is always really, really hard for me. Ah! Don't drop my meat! You know what? I'm just gonna scooch it. God darn it, how do people do this? You know what? Fuck it. Ooh. Ready for some Manwich. Maybe try using a spoon, dummy. I lack common sense sometimes. Mix it all up. So the meat is ready now. You just want to make sure that the sauce is mixed in there. That's sloppy. When it's ready, you just know. So that was it. Sloppy joe for dinner. That's some good stuff.